To make tacos, first add 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters of vegetable oil and 1 pound or 1/2 kilogram of lean ground beef to a skillet. Then cook the ground beef over medium-high heat for 10 minutes or until it's completely brown. Drain the grease, then season the meat with 1/2 teaspoon or 2 grams each of chili powder, cumin, paprika, salt, black pepper, and crushed red pepper. Stir the seasonings into the meat so it's fully coated. Now spoon the ground beef into hard taco shells and add your favorite toppings, like lettuce, tomato, onion, and shredded cheese. Top with salsa or guacamole for even more flavor. If you'd rather make soft tacos, first wrap flour tortillas in foil and heat them in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Then spoon the ground beef and toppings onto the tortillas, fold the sides up, and dig in.